my last opportunity to maybe race.
That was Jason Anderson on the Gypsy Tales podcast or video, whatever you want to call it. And it kind of sounds like another Kawasaki rider who at the end of his career wanted to go race MotoGP or MXGP, not MotoGP. Anyone? Anyone? Villopoto? Anybody? It's kind of funny because you consider he's talking about wanting to go over and race MXGP at the end of his career, and you've got Prado wanting to come over and race Supercross in the quote unquote prime, or like, when he's still a, I don't know, top guy. So it's funny you're trading somebody old or for somebody new. And who knows? There has been some rumors, quote unquote, about Prado maybe going to Kawasaki. Hmm? Anybody? Anybody? I don't know when Jason Anderson's contract is up. So somebody in the comments below want to go down there and tell me that. That'd be kind of cool. Because who knows if that works out? Maybe it's just a trade of riders. Kawasaki gets Prado and Anderson goes over there. I don't know. I'm not going to put that out in there, but you never know. If he's talked about it, he's probably kind of serious, and it might be a year or two, or who knows how long he wants to do it or run it. But it's kind of a cool idea, and you get a little bit of the American audience going over or trying to maybe watch if you're an Anderson fan to see how he's doing, and then you get the MXGP audience coming over and watching Supercross because Prado, and who knows. But in the comments below, just for the curiosity's sake of it, again, somebody tell me when Anderson's contract is up. And two, do you think, one, that the rumor that Prado might be on a Kawasaki could be true? Do you think Anderson's actually going to do it? And if he does go over there, how well do you think he's going to do? Because it's a, who knows, whole different track, whole different, sleep schedule and flying schedule and workout and all that kind of stuff. But whatever it is, comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
To my wife about it a lot, but sometimes I'm like, I think my next contract I really have the opportunity to go to would be my last opportunity to maybe race in Europe. And that's something that, like, I really think that would be cool to do for the challenge. And I think just personally, I think we need to understand different cultures.
Dude.
I think it's cool,
Yeah.
So that's, for us, I want to go there.